Okay, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here. Today we've got another video following on from last week's video. It's all about the coolant tank in the Cruze. We're going to get that installed today and show you how to do it, how to take it out and how to put it back in. So I'm going to race against the sun here as the sun is setting here in Melbourne, Australia. And hopefully we get this sorted out. So welcome to Panda Garage. Let's roll that intro, get stuck right into it. Okay, so I've depressurized the tank. This is the old tank here. There is a crack. I'll show you guys right now. Now this is our new hose that I installed recently. Whoops. So I removed that. As you can see, it's fractured at the end and it's become super brittle. So we're going to remove that. This comes off as well. There's a little clip down here that we're going to take off, and then remove the bottom hose, and this should pop right off. So little clip in the corner here that holds it all on. I'll show you as an example on here. Clip holds there, there's a clip there, and this clip underneath that holds it all together. Hose end pipe here, and the top pipe there. So we're going to get started. I'm probably going to lose more coolant, which I've lost that much already. It doesn't make a difference if I lose some more. This is going to be a pain. There it goes. So that's the top part of the pipe. Now, should be able to pop off. I don't know how well it's going to pop off, but we're going to try. So I think we pull this clip out here. So that's that. I think this should now slot out. Let's see if we can get it to disconnect properly. Do we have to remove the battery? I don't think so. What the hell? Well, it turns out it's a lot easier. Okay. Seems that it slots in. Take some. Okay, so I just checked out another fellow YouTuber's video, just from America, about how to get it up. I had to sort of grab it from the bottom to get this clip out. As you can see, the tank is pretty knackered and it's been leaking badly. So chuck that aside. Now we're going to get a new tank in, which should just drop in the position of the original. Pretty much all Holden Cruze, Chevy Cruze, all those particular types of cars all pretty much have the exact same coolant tank. So we're just going to try and maneuver the new one into place. Just is a bit harder than it looks, even though it literally just pulled out the old one. Oops, put that up there. So it'd sit flat. Alright, so that locks into position like that. Put the clip on like that. That holds it all into position. Next, we put on our bottom clamp, which will need the assistance of a pair of long-nosed pliers. Will help the cause, just make sure you don't bash your fingers on it. And then slide on another plug. Alright, that is the tank in position. All we need to do now is top up our new container. Top it up. Going to go up to the... Just going to fix that back up. That's like a breather pipe that needs to be on there. As you know, so with your Holden Cruze, Chevy Cruze, whatever Cruze you have as part of the GM empire, is that all the hoses have little markings on them where they're supposed to connect to something more solid. So if you do see that, that's what they're for. In this case, it doesn't want to hold on. There we go. And that will do. So, just going to put our, that's it, aftermarket amp. Now there's 3 ribs on the side. With this, we're going to go up to the second rib. And maybe because it's hot, we'll go to the top rib. It's pretty much where it's like fully pressurized. So that pretty much settles that. Just pour the leftovers. Might as well not waste it. Oops. I'll spill it over. Go. As you can see, the discoloration as well. I got this from the wreckers, and as you can see, it's in much better condition than the one we had in this car. So, don't know how old the other car was, but yeah, easy done. Okay guys, that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Hopefully this helps you out if you've got any issues with a Holden Cruze coolant tank. If you've got any comments, leave them down below. Remember to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage, for all middle bits and pieces. You can also message me on there as well if you've got any questions at all. Remember to give the channel a subscribe. I'd love to get more people on board. Get to 1,000 by the end of the year. That could be a possibility, which would be great. If you've got any ideas or suggestions you would like to see on the channel, leave them down below. So until next time guys, my name's Matt, this is Panda Garage, 2 successful stories in a row, which is great. So I'll see you guys on the next time in the garage. I was about to say my mate's outro, which was originally mine, but we won't get into that. But yeah, no, I'll see you guys.